everyone. Been a while since I've done a video. Today we've got the Oxford Beast. I'm selling this for a family member who bought it for a motorbike, but obviously he's got a better solution than this one. So as you can see, it is massive. When I've seen these Oxford Beasts on video, I imagine them much bigger than what they are. So it's a right lump of metal. So that bit there is, I think that's 30mm, so obviously you turn it and that is inside. There's your ball bearings there. Obviously you lock it. I think the head is about 87mm with 9 discs in. I picked the Oxford Boss and Oxford Boss Alarm, and I think they were easy. I've had this a couple of days now and I just managed to pick it last night. These are not easy. I tried to use my top tensioner while using the Oxford Boss and I wasn't getting anywhere with it, so I had to make a tool for it. So anyway, there's your key bitten, good little key bitten there. So I've come up with this little tool. I made this a bit, what's it called, alloy profile type. Put a bit of tube in there to keep the slot off, you know what I mean. So that is I had a spare Oxford key and I cut the bottom off, soldered that in. That is an injector pin shaped like that and soldered into the bottom bit. And just put a bit of wire on that to keep it tight inside the lock. So we're going to zero it out so we can get this bad boy picked. So there's your keyway, C-shaped keyway. Very tight keyway. So get this zero out, see this bad boy picked there. Yeah, and the thing with this lock as well, it's got like a spinning core. I think that's in case somebody uses something like called a force key. That's the same shape you put force on and it puts all the discs into the sidebar, and I think it's supposed to make like an extra groove inside all the discs, and obviously the core spins, so that's why the core spins. Anyway, let's see if we get this picked. Not with it a day like. Let's see if we get this bad boy picked. Alright, I'm bottom. And now it's off the top. The top of this one. Right. Tension on. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. Number 4. A bit of a clip of 4. 5's an odd. Clip of 6. Disc is everything. Clip of, I think that is 7. Clip of 8. Let's go through it. 7. got it open. So there we go, that isn't open. And go and lock back up. So yes, definitely not easy. Like when I used to pick the Oxford buses, I used to think they were easy. These Oxford beasts are definitely not easy. But excellent locking, and I can't imagine a grinder getting through that. A grinder would probably take forever, because that is, if you're going to grind it, you probably want to grind this bit here, and it would just take ages and ages. So definitely a good lock to have, like, and definitely not a lock I think you could carry about here, like. It's just too heavy, especially with the chain as well. So anyway, there's your keys as well. I love Oxford locks, they're just good quality locks to pick. And there's your picking tip again. Just put that away there just to keep that tight there. But done the job. RWB pick, excellent pick. So anyway guys, I just wanted to say something as well. Thanks for all the new subscribers, and I can't believe it, like my videos have been shared 300 times. I can't even believe that. I didn't think anybody would be bothered that much. So thanks to all new subscribers, and I'll try and get some better vids up. Anyway guys, laters.